Have you ever slept for 8 full hours but still woke up feeling like you barely closed your eyes? You aren't alone. It turns out, it's not just about how long we sleep, it's about how deep we go. Sleep isn't just one long state of rest, it's a journey through 4 different stages. We have light sleep, where we're just drifting off, REM sleep, where our minds are busy dreaming, and then there's the holy grail of rest, deep sleep. This is the stage where your body does its most important work. If you feel sluggish, foggy, or just off, your body might be missing out on its nightly dose of deep restoration. Today, we're going to look at what happens in the deep and how you can get more of it. So, how do you know when you've hit the deep? Your body actually undergoes a beautiful transformation. First, your brain waves slow down into what we call delta waves. They are slow, steady, and powerful. Your heart rate and breathing become the most stable they'll be all day. It's like your body's internal engine is shifting into a perfect low idle gear. Your muscles completely relax and your blood pressure drops. In this state, you are tucked away in a protective bubble. It's during this quiet, steady window that your body finally has the peace and quiet it needs to start its internal repairs. Think of deep sleep as your body's night shift repair crew. While you're resting, your brain signals for the release of growth hormones. This isn't just for kids growing taller. For adults, this is how we stay young. It's how your body repairs the wear and tear on your muscles from a long walk or a workout. It's how your skin stays healthy and your bones stay strong. Deep sleep is also when your body reloads your energy stores. If you've ever felt physically exhausted despite not doing much, it's often because your night shift didn't have enough time to finish their work. Deep sleep is literally where your physical vitality is born. Now, let's talk about your brain. Did you know your brain has its own built-in cleaning service? It's called the glymphatic system, and it only really kicks into high gear during deep sleep. Throughout the day, your brain builds up clutter, tiny proteins and metabolic waste that can make your thinking feel cloudy. During deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink slightly to allow a special fluid to wash through and flush out that clutter. Without enough deep sleep, that waste stays behind. That brain fog, or the feeling that you can't find your keys or remember a name, that's often just a brain that didn't get its nightly wash. Deep sleep keeps your mind sharp, clear, and ready for whatever tomorrow holds. We all know we need rest when we're sick, but deep sleep is actually your best preventative medicine. While you're in deep sleep, your immune system is hard at work producing cytokines. These are the protective proteins that fight off infections and inflammation. Your immune system also uses this time to remember how to fight off bugs you were exposed to during the day. It's like your body's security team is holding a briefing, learning exactly how to protect you. People who get enough deep sleep are actually less likely to catch a common cold and respond better to vaccines. It is your ultimate natural defense system. So, how much of this magic do we actually need? For most adults, deep sleep should make up about 1/5 of your night. If you sleep for 8 hours, you're looking for about an hour and a half of deep sleep. But here is the most important thing to remember. Most of your deep sleep happens in the first half of the night. If you stay up late watching TV and cut into those first few hours, you aren't just losing sleep time, you're losing your most valuable recovery time. You can't make it up by sleeping in late because your brain switches to different types of sleep as the sun comes up. Because deep sleep is so important, we wanted to find a way to make it easier to understand. That's why we're working on the energyBand. Instead of just telling you how you slept after you wake up, the energyBand looks at your day and gives you a deep sleep propensity score. It looks at how active you were and how relaxed your heart is in the evening. Think of it like a weather report for your rest. If the band sees that you had a stressful day or your heart rate is a little high before bed, it can gently remind you to take a few extra minutes to wind down. It takes the guesswork out of your health and helps you plan for a better night's rest before you even get into bed. If you want to boost your deep sleep tonight, here are 3 simple things you can do. The warm bath secret. A warm shower or bath about an hour before bed is perfect. It actually helps your body cool down faster afterward, which is the green light your brain needs for deep sleep. The evening curfew. Try to finish your last meal and put away the wine at least 3 hours before bed. When your body is busy digesting, it stays too warm to fall into a deep sleep. Find your cool. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Your body naturally wants to drop its temperature to stay in the deep, so a cool room is like an invitation to rest. Deep sleep isn't just a luxury. It's the foundation of your health, your mood, and your energy. By understanding how it works and making small, simple changes to your routine, you can wake up feeling truly restored every single day. Start listening to your body, use the tools available to you, and remember that a better tomorrow always starts with a deeper tonight. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.